Let's learn the profession names with the help of flashcards. Clown, C for clown. Cook, C for cook. Gardener, G for gardener. Baker, B for baker. Fireman, F for fireman. Doctor, D for doctor. Mechanic, M for mechanic. Policeman, P for policeman. Nurse, N for nurse. Postman, P for postman. Detective, D for detective. Teacher, T for teacher. Businessman, B for businessman. Mason, M for mason. Scientist, S for scientist. Lawyer, L for lawyer. Soldier, S for soldier. Judge, J for judge. Plumber, P for plumber. Painter, P for painter. Farmer, F for farmer. Potter, P for potter. Magician, M for magician. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel to learn with fun.